good enhance the time spent in the workplace and can even go a long way to improving the quality of the work you produce. For most people, however, this is easier said than done. We've all experienced that feeling of having more work to do than we can possibly complete in the time we have. And this can lead to increased stress, dissatisfaction and demoralisation. This course can help by introducing you to some of the theories and techniques of time management that can really make a difference. The course will introduce you to the key terms and definitions, go over the 6 laws of time management and how to apply these to your work, point out some of the most common time stealers, distractions and ways to avoid these, provide methods for prioritising your work and much more. The training is presented online and can be done at the candidate's own pace and at a time that suits them. So to find out more about this course, sign up for a free trial or give us a call today.